All right, this is a pretty important training video. I hear people all the time starting and stopping traffic or spending a ton of money, not seeing returns, stopping traffic. It's one of the worst things that you can do. One, because of influence. Two, because it's going to cost you more. And the other thing is who likes starting over all the time? So let's really break this myth down. I'm going to go over this in a couple of videos. I think you're going to love how I'm going to set this up, and you're going to see that I'm going to save a ton of people a lot of money. All right, so here's what this looks like. Top of funnel, that is TOFO, and that is going to be the cold market, people who don't know you. Middle of funnel, warm market. I'm going to break that down because we're going to cut down the warm market in a couple of different ways. And bottom of funnel, hot. These people are going to be the most responsive for your offer. Now, what a lot of people do is they focus on top of funnel. That's actually the most expensive and the last place that you could focus or should focus. And, well, really, that's where people find a lot of frustration. We're going to get to that here in just a minute. So our focus is really going to be moving towards the bottom of the funnel activities versus the top of the funnel, meaning let's get all of our stuff figured out for bottom of the funnel and mid of funnel. Well, let me show you, and this will probably make a ton of sense of why maybe you've spent a lot of money, haven't got that return, wondering how can you get that return really quick? What traffic should you be running? What traffic should you turn off? This is going to make it a lot easier.